In today's video, I'm going to teach you what an e-signature is, explained simply. Imagine you're sitting at your computer and you need to sign a document, but instead of printing, signing, and scanning it, you can complete the entire process in a few simple digital steps. This is the power and convenience of e-signatures, commonly known as electronic signatures. Let's start by understanding the basics. E-signatures are essentially a digital version of your handwritten signature. They indicate a person's agreement or intention to sign a document electronically, and they're legally binding in many regions, just like traditional signatures. They're used extensively in contracts, invoices, and other digital transactions, doing away with the need for paper. Convenient, right? Now I'll guide you through how to find more detailed information about e-signatures. Open Google in your web browser. Once there, click on the search bar. In the search field, type in "what is an e-signature" and hit enter. Take a moment to read through the various resources available that detail what e-signatures are. This will help solidify your understanding and give you a broader perspective. You'll find that an e-signature serves as the digital equivalent of a handwritten signature. Essentially, it's a broad electronic form of sign-off that shows your endorsement or approval. This form of signing is not only efficient, but also helps in reducing physical paperwork, aligning with today's eco-friendly practices. Once you've grasped what an e-signature is, the next logical step is understanding how it works. This involves familiarizing yourself with the process of placing an e-signature on a digital document. For demonstration purposes, I'll show you how to apply an e-signature using a sample document. First, look for the tools usually positioned on the left corner of your document interface. These tools will typically include a pen icon or an option that says "Add your signature or initials." Clicking on this opens up the options you have for signing the document. You can opt to type your name, draw your signature using your mouse or stylus, or even upload an image of your actual handwritten signature. For simplicity, I'll just type in my e-signature. After you've selected your preferred method of adding your signature, go ahead and click Apply. This action places your signature onto the document. You can adjust its placement as needed to ensure it fits properly within the signing line or box provided. Finally, once your e-signature is placed to your satisfaction, remember to click Save. This action ensures that your signature is securely applied and that your document is ready for submission or further processing. And there you have it. A straightforward, accessible explanation of what an e-signature is and how you might use it in your everyday digital interactions. From saving time to streamlining workflows, e-signatures are revolutionizing the way we handle documents in the digital age.